the single digits above and below zero. And we'll be in the single digits to start the day tomorrow. You guys in the shoreline may be able to hold in that 10 to 15 range. The Bakervilles, Dennis Miller, and so forth, they'll be down there probably in a 7 below range. As far as the weekend goes, all is well. Out across the Cape. Know anybody out here? Some places picking up a half a foot of ocean effect snow today. This is one of the bigger ocean effect snow accumulators that's ever happened out here. So it ended up being a very snowy day. Just south of Boston, on through Plymouth, on down through Bourne and Barnstable and Chatham, and out through Falmouth. So, yeah, if you're heading out that way, there's a lot more snow on the ground than there is here. And there's going to be a lot more snow on the ground here in Virginia, North Carolina, and South Carolina, which has already been the case this year, than what we have here as well, because this big storm that could have delivered over a foot of snow in some computer models earlier this week had it coming up, and we'd be digging out. We're missing. Again, it is snowing Nags Head, North Carolina. That's the northern Outer Banks. It's ice at the beaches all the way down through North Carolina. It's ice at Myrtle Beach. There's ice at Charleston right now, and got a report of ice at Savannah, Georgia. Inland, the snow is piling up. Winter storm warnings, ice storm warnings. The high holds the low off. Look how it just misses us going into tomorrow morning. Again, snow lovers, this would have been a huge snowstorm, but this will give you an idea of what this weather pattern has the potential to do, and will continue to do so as we head through the rest of this month. So there's going to be a whole lot more storms forming down there, and sooner or later, one of them's got to get us. For now, we get a pretty good second to last weekend of January. We're talking about what will be highs tomorrow, 20s to around 30. There's no wind to speak of, and that really helps things out. The clouds, they're holding the temperature up a little bit. Seasonable, teens to lower 20s going into Sunday morning. Sunday's highs, 30 to 35, a little colder in the hilltops. There'll be more clouds than sun. And overall, easy weekend compared to what's going on to our south. And Monday, start the week quiet with temperatures in the 20s to around 30, mixed sun and clouds on Monday. Now, we've got another system that's going to be rotating off the coast on Tuesday. So we've got to watch Tuesday to make sure there isn't something else that's going to sneak up here and get us with something a little more significant than a snow shower. Temperature may come up a little bit on Tuesday as well. And then another bitter blast. So the weather we had today, which was not nearly as cold as the last bitter blast we encountered because the wind isn't that strong. So Wednesday, we'll say low 20s, sunshine, and overall it's in pretty good shape. And then there's going to be another big storm just like the one right now. Going to be just off to our south as we go for the end of next week. And so, again, very, very changeable as far as what's happening. As computer models have a very hard time trying to figure out where the energy sources are coming from and how they're all going to come together. And so it's the end of next week. That's the next time we watch for a big storm along the East Coast. Steph there.
We're still following that breaking news on a New York.